Craig Cameron here, and in this series of videos, I'm going to desensitize and show you how to make a brave horse. You know, when I'm trying to create the brave horse or a bridle horse or starting a colt, you know, my demeanor, my voice, my expressions, my posturing, all that makes a big difference. That's the way you're going to speak to the horse, because guess what? That's the way horses speak to each other. They're gesturing, they're posturing, you know, their ears, one ear back, one ear forward, you know, a leg kicked up like that, you know, turning a jaw. They're talking to each other. Every swish of a tail means something. So if you'll start paying more attention to that, you can understand what these horses are trying to tell you, what they're saying to you and to one another. So now when you talk to the horse, again, your demeanor, your expression, your posturing, your voice needs to stay even and smooth, not to scare these horses. So everything I do makes a difference to these horses. So the way that I come in here, watch, I'm really conscious of where I put my flag, not to spook him. If it's a real nervous horse, I'm gonna get this flag like this. If he was really nervous, I might throw it away and get rid of it. So everything I do, just the way I walk in. See, I walk in here with my hands closed, not like a big claw. Like a lot of times when I'm trying to get up to a horse, I'm going to turn my shoulders away, not put any pressure on this horse. I don't go right to his head and his eyes. A lot of times I try to come in here, see? And I'm not slapping the horse like this. I'm rubbing him, maybe little circles like this, like another horse would do with him here. Touch him. And I don't want to, I'm not really trusting a horse that never has put his head down yet. A horse that's unsure and nervous and apprehensive, that head's going to be up. So we like those heads down. We like them blinking their eyes. When I rub this horse, sometimes I can take my fingernails and really kind of dig in here, get this horse's like another horse's teeth, and they get to where they really like it. I can do the same thing on their belly, right up by their withers. I'm really trying to relate to these horses in so many ways like another horse. So when I get ready to send this horse off, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to get ready first. I'm going to prepare and position. So I can get my rope. A lot of times I just throw it on the ground right here, get it out of my way. Now I'm going to take this hand the way I want to go, and I'm going to send this horse. Now my angles are very important. If I want this horse to be going, I need to be back at the hip here, a nice angle here. If I step in front of him, I'm going to head him and stop him or change directions. Here I'm going to switch hands with my flag so it's back. Watch me lean down and I want that horse to step that hip over and mean it. I think I'll go ahead and send him the other way. Send him the other way. Send him. Step up and watch my gesturing. All right, put it over there. I think that flag's not doing the trick. I'm gonna go this lead line. Well, maybe I can kind of touch him here a little better. Touch him. And I'm just gonna push that hip over. Get up and wiggle, back him up. Send my horse here. Send him. Send him. Good. And push that hip over. Back that horse up. Earn that respect. So all my movements, all my gesturing, all my posturing, my sound, my approach, my departure, all that means something to the horse. So hone your skills with everything that you're using and do like I do. Become bilingual and learn to speak horse.